Hi, I'm Louis Ortiz on behalf of Expert Village, and we're back to show you the preparation for a Buerre Blanc sauce. And this is a classic French butter sauce, and I described to you in a previous video the preparation steps. So I've got a non-stick Teflon saute pan here. As I told you before, we've got some white wine, some dry white wine that we're going to put in the pan, and we've got some white wine vinegar. Because the vinegar is pungent, we want to use about 4 parts white wine and 1.5 to 2 parts of the vinegar, so it doesn't throw it off too bad. And you can kind of eyeball that. I've got some shallots here, some finely minced shallots. I'm going to go ahead and throw those in. And what I'm going to do is just essentially bring this up to a simmer. And as this starts to simmer, these flavors will kind of infuse together and rub off on one another, which is what we want to happen. And I'm going to go ahead and just finish off the amount of wine that we had in there. And white wine vinegar. Okay, so now that we've got enough substance to actually mess with and create a simmer, this isn't going to take long. So I wanted to have enough liquid volume in there. Again, the parts for wine to vinegar are up to you. I tend to want to use like a 3-to-1, which is what I had pre-measured in my cups there. So we're going to bring this up to simmer, as I said, which won't take long. It's going to allow these finely minced shallots to kind of tenderize. The sugars will come out of those as heat is added to them, the natural sugars, and that's a nice flavor that we're looking for as well. And when we get this down to a simmer, we're going to actually let it reduce upon itself and reduce the liquid volume a little bit. And at that point, I've got some heavy whipping cream here, and we'll put in a couple tablespoons worth of heavy whipping cream and allow that to bring to a simmer and let it reduce a little bit. And then we're going to top it off with some small pieces of chilled butter, whole butter. So as you can see, we've got a simmer going here, and we'll come right back and show you the final preparation for this and show you how much reduction we're looking for in the first stage of this sauce.